Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Outlook.
How to use the report message as junk feature in Microsoft Outlook. Junk email definition. It is unwanted or unsolicited advertising or promotional material received through the post or sent as email. If we are suspicious that an email message that we receive is junk, we can easily report it as junk. If we select this option, a copy of the message may be sent to Microsoft to help them update their spam database. We can easily report an email message as junk in Microsoft Outlook, where once selected, the email message will move from the inbox to our junk email folder. Microsoft Outlook most of the times evaluates email messages that we receive based on different factors, and if they are considered as junk, it moves them straight to the junk folder without any action of ours. If we think that an email message that we have received is junk, we must select the mail message. Once the message is selected, we make sure that the Home tab is activated. And we locate the area of the ribbon named Delete. Then we hover over with our mouse on the command. Mark the selected items as junk or prevent items sent by this sender, this sender's domain, or this group or mailing list from being marked as junk. If we select the junk command, the drop-down menu will appear where we just select the first command named Block Sender. Once selected, a Microsoft Outlook warning dialog box will appear mentioning, "This sender has been added to your blocked senders list and the message has been moved to the junk folder." Another way to report a message as junk is once again to select the message that we suspect as junk and do a right click on it with our mouse. From the shortcut menu that appears, we locate the command junk and from the side menu we select again the command Block Sender. Once again, the Microsoft Outlook warning dialog box will appear mentioning, "The sender has been added to your blocked senders list and the message has been moved to the junk folder." We stay safe and secure with just a few clicks.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know. Be wise and subscribe.